Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. So today I'll be showing you how you can delete an EA account on PC. In order to begin with the deletion of your EA account, it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guide. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser. Make sure that you're connected to an internet service as well. And after you open up a browser on the web address bar, you need to type in help.ea.com. This is going to take you to the help center. So basically, to delete your EA account, you'll have to contact the support team, submit a request, only then your account will be deleted. Now to begin with the procedure, you'll have to head over to its help center page, and here you'll need to go ahead and select EA account if you want to delete entire EA account. On the other page, search for the games topic, so just go ahead and type in delete account. Once you type in the following information, make sure that you're already logged in. If you're not, just tap the login button from the top right hand side corner, enter in your credential and log in into your EA Games account. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap on how can I close my EA account. Now, on the other page, it's going to show you or provide you with a lot of articles. You can go through it and accordingly, you can begin with the deletion process. So basically, to delete your account, tap on delete my account button, and here you can find all sort of articles. So go through the following statement, and from here, you'll be able to see how you can delete your EA Games account. So in this way you can delete your EA Games account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.